In this video, I will show you how you can edit your website for mobile devices or optimize your website for mobile devices. It's really important to optimize your website for mobile devices because nowadays most of your website visitors actually use their mobile devices to access your website, so you need to know how to do it. First, you will see at the top center that you will find the layout switcher. If you click on the mobile option, your website will be displayed as it appears on a mobile device. So before you make changes for mobile, you should switch to this view. On the left-hand side, you'll find the sections, right? If you click on any of the sections, you will see that we have some dedicated settings: desktop layout and mobile layout. These are exclusive settings and are only available for our templates, and they give you more flexibility while making or adjusting your website for mobile devices. For example, if you click on a mobile layout, there is an option to hide this section for mobile devices. This option is also available for the desktop layout. If I go to the desktop layout and select this section, you'll see that this section is hidden for desktop devices. However, we did not hide it for mobile devices. So if I switch to the mobile view, you will see that this specific section is available on mobile. This feature allows you to create a specific section or design a specialized section only for mobile devices. It's cool, right? Anyway, I will just undo it for now. Other mobile settings include padding and spacing. If you go through other settings, such as border options, you'll find that we have dedicated options only for mobile, and you can access them by selecting the mobile view. So if you see a specific option that is marked as mobile, you now know that those settings are applied only to mobile devices. That concludes the section settings. Now, if you click on any of the blocks, you will find similar options and sometimes even more, such as desktop and mobile layout settings. These options are also available for blocks. Moreover, some blocks come with column options. For example, on desktop, an image might occupy half of the screen, but on mobile, it occupies the full width. These column options are available specifically for mobile users. As always, if you go through other settings, you might find some specific options that are marked only for mobile. Let's check the text settings. You will see typography and background options. Under the list of styles, you will notice that the icon size can be changed specifically for mobile. You just have to explore the settings, but I believe you will love them. They will help you create a mobile site that looks really cool and is optimized for viewers.